Okay, we have our tags on the left pane. So let's see what we have here. Configure the SATA to support the RAID mode. Use F2 or the delete key to enter the system BIOS setting. Using the two disks, create a stripped RAID volume named LD1. Use all the space on the two disks. We're going to repeat the same thing for mirrored RAID LD2, and we're going to use all the space on it. So let us boot into our computer. The first thing we want to do is to go into BIOS. So boot up and press F2 on your keyboard. Then we'll go over to system configuration and we'll locate SATA operation, and it is currently set to AHCI. We want to change it to RAID and apply. When we click exit, the computer is going to restart. But because we want to go into the RAID setting mode, we're going to press Ctrl-I as we start up the system. So remember, Ctrl-I will take you into the RAID mode. Alright, so this is it, Ctrl-I. We are in the RAID mode and we'll go ahead and create RAID volume. So we press enter and we have to name it LD1. So this is going to be LD1, and then we go over to RAID level. RAID level says stripe. So this is currently on stripe, so we'll leave it that way, and we'll scroll down, select disks. Let's select the disks that we want. We are going to leave the first disk because this is where our operating system is. So we'll go over to disks 1 and 2. So we'll select, tap space on your keyboard, go scroll down, tap space on your keyboard to select it. After that, we'll go ahead and press enter on our keyboard. Enter. Alright, so in the absence of any other thing, we'll go ahead and create. Everything appears fine, so we'll tap create. It will ask you, are you sure you want to create this volume? Of course we want to, so we'll tap Y on our keyboard. And that is that. It has been created, so we'll go ahead and create the second one. So press enter and then we name this LD2. LD2. According to the instruction, we scroll down by pressing your tab key on your keyboard, and for this is going to be mirrored according to the instruction on the left pane. So this is going to be a mirrored RAID. So we'll go to mirrored RAID. This is supposed to be a mirrored RAID. So select mirrored. So this is mirrored, and then that is that. We'll go down and select disk. Disk 0 is where our operating system is. We will leave that and go to disk 1. Press enter to select. Press space to select. And disk 2. Press space to select. Press enter. Strip size. Strip size. Let's see. Is there any instruction to give strip size? No, we are not asked to give a strip size. So we'll scroll down. In the absence of any other thing, from the left to press enter, and it's going to ask you, are you sure you want to create this volume? Of course we want to, so we'll tap Y, and that is that. So go ahead and check our answers.
Busy with health challenges, work, or family issues? We help students handle labs, coding, quizzes, discussions, and assignments while you focus on life. Our expert IT tutoring support helps you reduce stress and achieve A+ grades in your tech courses. Message us on WhatsApp now, +234 8122948229.